Do you know when it's time to harvest your potatoes or how to harvest them? Keep watching this video and I'm going to show you how. Hi garden friends, it's Chris from Gardening at the Simongetti North, and today is another ShedWars video on teaching how to grow your own food. We had planted these potatoes back in May. I'll put a video clip up in the corner on when we planted them, and I think today they're ready to be harvested. So to know when your potatoes are ready to harvest is when the plant dies off, basically, and then you want to get them out before some critters actually get them. So what I'm going to use, I have a pitchfork here. Here's my pitchfork, and I'm going to go and start loosening them up and show you how to harvest potatoes. And this is, like I said, a ShedWars video, an initiative to teach the world on how to grow your own food. And potatoes are the best eaten when you grow them yourself instead of in the grocery stores. But I just harvested some of my Peruvian Magic purple potatoes out of my grow bags. I got maybe about 1.5 pounds. I'll put a picture up in the corner. And then the other potatoes were Purple Majesty that I had in the grow bags. They're also in the same picture. I got about 1.5 pounds out of those as well. So you can grow potatoes in grow bags, like if you're in an apartment or condo situation or just a small yard, not much room to grow potatoes, you can definitely grow them in grow bags like the fabric grow bags and get a couple pounds out of them. So here we go. I'm going to bring you up closer and we'll start loosening some up and harvesting our potatoes. So when harvesting the potatoes, you want to make sure to be careful using the pitchfork so you don't spear any of the potato tubers. So I'm just going to kind of go around this plant here and gently what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull on the plant. Oop, here's one. More. Oh, kind of a flat one. It's interesting. See if I can loosen some more up with the pitchfork. Ooh. There you go, see? I just accidentally speared one. More that was attached to the plant. But this is basically how you do it. I'm not gonna bore you going through the whole thing. Oh, there's one. So basically that's the gist on how to harvest your potatoes. I'm not going to bore you and make you watch me harvest the rest of this crop, but I'll put at the end how much I ended up harvesting, how many pounds. Let me know if you're growing potatoes this year. This was my first year growing potatoes, and we had some there was some purple potatoes and some, I think, some golden something. I'll put it up in the corner, the two types of potatoes that we had growing in this bed. But hey, you can definitely grow potatoes, and now's the time to be harvesting if you're up in zone 5B or zone 5 here in Michigan or wherever you may be. YouTube thinks you might like this video or that video. Live, love, laugh, and garden. Hope to see you at the next video. Check out more ShedWars videos on how to grow your own food. God bless. Bye.